bye to them, Simon. Bye bye to them, Simon.
Bye-bye assignment.
Bye bye.
Okay. So, we're going to do another home tutorial for Skylar. Since walang pasok today, you did not go to school, right? Did you go to school? Did you go to school? You did not go to school, di ba? Classes suspended. Are you sleepy?
Yes.
Do you want French fries?
Yes.
I'll give you French fries. Let's finish this one, okay? So, may mga tasks, asynchronous tasks. So, uso na pala yun ngayon. Dati nung panahon kasi namin, hindi pa yung uso. Pag suspended yung classes, wala namang mga pa-assignment or asynchronous classes. Ngayon, meron. So, you have 4 asynchronous tasks, okay? Let's read muna. Sky, let's read.
The fish.
The fish.
We are going.
Wait lang.
Fish. In
Again.
a dish.
We're
We're
going
going to read a poem
about
a
fish. Good job.
Fish in a dish. Swish and splash. Fish can swish. Dash, dash, dash.
Dash, dash, dash.
Big thing, small thing. We go in the sea. Little fish, come and swim with me. Fish and dish.
Okay, question. How many words can you find? How many words? Come here.
Fish.
One, fish,
Fish.
dish, splish, splash, fish, swish, dash, dash, dash. How many? And then, fish, fish.
Fish.
How many is that? How many? 11. 11 word. SH word. Let's count.
Fish dish.
Count. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. So how many? How many?
11.
11. Good job. What is the point? What is the poem about?
Fin.
A fin? A fish, or a
Fish.
swim? A swim.
Swim.
Are you sure?
No.
It's about
Swim.
a fish. Because that's fish in the dish. Good job. Where is the fish?
Fish. Swish.
Where is the fish? Where is the fish?
In a dish.
Where is the fish?
In the dish.
In the dish. Good job.
Ah!
Next, what can fish do?
Swish.
Good job.
Ah!
Swish. So your assignment, Skylar, is this one. Hold on. Saglit. Your assignment is you read. Read.
Look at each set of pictures and try to figure out what happens. Circle your answer.
Okay, first you have to write your name and the date today. Complete name. Complete name.
Straight, ha?
Complete name.
Skyler. Y-L-E-R.
Only small like that, Skylar, stop that. Read, ha?
The chicks hatched. The chicks
The chicks. Again. The chicks hatched.
hatched. The chicks came and broke the eggs. The eggs fell down and
Cracked open. Which picture?
Circle.
Circle. And circle. Good job! So the eggs, what happened to the eggs here?
Eggs.
What happened?
Broke egg.
Broke eggs and cracked. Good job. Our next question.
So,
You read muna, read. Before encircle. Read. Someone
mowed
mowed the lawn.
all the grass died. The horse stopped eating because he was full.
Which one? Good job! Is the horse eating here?
No more. Yes.
Yes.
How about here? Is the horse eating here?
Yes.
No more.
No. The horse stopped eating because he was full. Why did the horse stop eating?
Because.
Stop eating.
Why?
Because.
Why did... Anak, you look oh. Why did the horse stop eating? Why? Why? Because...
Because the horse stopped eating because
he was full. Good job. Next story, read.
the tree fell over in the wind.
Read aloud.
Again, read aloud.
The tree fell over
In
in the wind.
the wind.
Wind.
Someone
Someone
chopped
chopped the tree down. The beaver
a beaver cut
cut
down the tree.
the
Again,
tree.
let's read properly. Again, you louder.
The tree fell over the wind.
In the wind.
In the wind.
Mm.
Someone
Chopped.
the tree down. A beaver cut down the tree.
Okay, so what's the correct picture?
Wind.
Ano?
Chomp. Wind.
Ano ba? Ano sabi ba?
The tree fell over the wind kasi may wind dito eh. Oh, wait lang, second sabi, someone chopped the tree down.
The tree down.
A beaver cut down the tree. Oh, where's the
Chomp.
this one chop?
Chop kasi nag-fall
Good
down
job.
na eh.
High
Nag-fall
five.
down.
Okay, very good. Oh, next. Write your name
like
first.
that one, ha?
Again, small letters. You follow this one. Masyadong malaki. You write your full name.
Small.
Good job. Oh, small A. Dali.
Small.
Oh, dali S. Five senses.
It's
Oh.
raining day.
Again.
Sight. Smell. Sound. Touch. Taste.
Oh, what do you use for sight? What part of your body? What part of your body do you use for sight?
Sight.
What part of your body? What part of your body?
Ouchie.
What part of your body? What part of your body?
No.
Are you going to use your eyes or your ears? Skylar, what part of the body are you going to use for sense of sight?
Sight.
What part of the body are you going to use ears or eyes?
Eyes.
Eyes. Good job. How about smell?
Nose.
Nose. Good job. How about
Ears.
sound? Ears. How about touch?
Hand.
Hands. How about taste?
Tongue.
Tongue. High five. Good job. Color the rose.
Pink and green.
Pink and green. Galing mo ah. The color of the rose is pink. How about the green?
The green are the leaves.
Galing ah. What's next? What's this?
Muffin.
Muffin. Oh, what's the color of the muffin? You pick one.
Brown.
Brown. Good job. Is that a chocolate muffin?
Yes.
How about this? What's the color of the cup? What color? Brown also?
Brown.
Next. Good job. What's this?
Mountain.
What's this?
Cloud.
It's a photo. Photo with clouds and then the mountain and the hot air balloon. Clouds.
Sky.
Blue. Anto ka pa. Okay, next photo. How about this? What's this?
Fire.
Fire. Oh, what's the color?
Red.
Okay, good job.
Brown.
Color.
Oh.
What's this?
Yellow.
What is this?
Lemon.
Lemon. Good job.
Oh.
Lemon and green. How about the leaf? You call it green.
Green.
Come here. Now we have here 5 senses, anak. Again, can you tell me what's this? Sense of, what's this?
Ear.
Ear. Okay, that's what? Sense of? Sense of?
Radio.
Sense of ano yan, anak?
Radio.
Sense of? Sound. Sense of sound. How about this?
Tongue.
Sense of?
Tongue.
Sense of? Tongue is sense of ano?
Taste.
Good job. How about this?
Sight.
Eyes?
Eyes.
Sense of?
Sense of sight.
How about this? What's this?
Smell.
Oh, what's this muna?
Nose.
Nose. Sense of?
Smell.
How about this? What's this?
Hand.
Hand. Sense of?
Touch.
Okay, you sit down properly. Baka mahulog ka. Show to them the first
Radio.
picture. You show to them the first picture. Show like this, oh. Radio. Oh. So, saan yan? Sense of?
Ear.
Sense of?
Smell.
No, sense of? Sense of?
Sound.
Sound. Good job. Mommy will help, ha? Oh, okay. Yan. How about next picture? Next picture. Didikit pa ito. Next picture. Sky. Nak, you get one picture. Skylar, listen to mommy. You get one picture. What's that?
Camera.
Oh, camera. That's not camera. That is... Ayan. You show to them. This is like this. Television. Oh, where? Which side? Ay, which side? Which sense?
Sight.
Sense of sight. Good job. Oh, how about next?
Trash can.
Trash can. Oh. What's that? Sense of?
Nose.
No. Sense of?
Smell.
Smell. Good job. Why? Is this stinky? Is this
Yes.
stinky? Good
Yes.
job.
Lemon.
Lemon. Okay.
Good job.
Stand up. Stand up. Ah. Lemon. Which sense? Which one?
Lemon.
Oh, lemon. Which sense nga po?
Tongue.
Tongue.
Taste.
Sense of?
Taste.
Taste. Anak, wag masyado. Good job. In the tongue. You use your tongue for sense of taste. How about the next? You show it to them. You show it to them. Oh, you pick one. Inaamoy mo, ah. You show it to them.
Nose.
Rose. Oh, what sense? Sense of?
Nose.
Oh, you hold. Sense of?
Nose.
Which one? Sense of?
Nose.
No, nose. Oh, you use your nose for sense of
Nose.
what? Sense of
Smell.
smell. So, sense of smell, you use your
Muffin.
nose. Oh, next.
Muffin.
Muffin. Let's show it to them. Game. What sense? What sense?
Muffin.
Sense of?
Muffin.
Oo nga, muffin. Sense of? Yuck. Sense of ano? Sense of?
Muffin.
Oo nga, sense of? No. Muffin is sense of? Sense of?
Muffin.
Sense of?
Muffin.
Sense of? Oo nga, muffin. That's muffin.
Yes.
Sense of?
Taste.
Good job. Tongue. Or next, you pick one. Wait. What's that?
Picture.
That's picture. Good job. Ah. Sige. What sense muna? You answer muna, mommy. Which one?
This one. This one.
Okay. Sense of? Sense of what? Okay na yan. Sense of? Sense of, Skylar?
Picture.
Sense of?
Sight.
Sight. Good job. Or next. What's that? Dito. Yan. Teddy bear. Oh, which one?
Touch. Teddy.
Sense of?
Teddy.
Sense of
The touch.
touch. Good job. Guitar.
Guitar.
You showed them. Okay, that's guitar. Oh. What sense is that? Which one?
This one.
Okay, what's that?
Guitar.
That's guitar. Good job. But sense of ano? Sense of what? Sense of?
Guitar.
Get sense
Sight.
of? No. Sense of?
Sight.
No. Sense of?
Ear.
Sense of?
Sound.
Sound. Good job. You use your ears. Use ears for sense of sound. Okay, last. Show to them.
Touch.
You show it to them. Fire. Good job. Good job. What's this?
Fire.
Fire. What's this? Sense of?
Touch.
Good job. Let's go to part 2, ha? You write down your name first, and then let's talk about sense
Down.
again. Sit down properly.
S.
Dot, 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 period. You put the period here. Yan, yan. Wait, anak, wait lang,
Here.
wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang. You read muna.
What sentence?
Okay. Oh, read.
Color the sentence that match each picture.
Okay. So, color the sense that matches each picture. Okay. What's this?
Music.
Music. So, you have to color here. Which one?
Ears.
But why green? What's the color of the ears?
Hand.
What's the color of the ears?
Hand.
It should be brown, anak. Oh. The sense that matches
Yeah.
music is ear. Sense of
Ear.
sound. Sense of sound, anak. Oh, this is cookies, but there is smell, oh. There's smell, anak, oh. Oh, smell. What do you use?
Nose.
Okay, sense of?
Nose.
Sense of? Sense of what?
Smell.
Good job. How about this? What's this?
Eat.
Eat.
Taste.
This is a cake. So, which one?
Tongue.
Tongue. Good job. How about this? What's this?
Touch.
Touch. Because? What's this? Ano ba to
Because-
ito? What's this? What's this? That's correct. Sense of
That-
touch. But what's this?
Sense of touch.
What's this, anak?
Cactus.
Cactus. Good job. Okay, so we're done with the 2 assignments.
assignments.
We'll do the 2 assignments tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Tomorrow naman.
Tomorrow.
You want ngayon? You want today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Assignment. Okay, good job. High five. Kiss. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye-bye to them, Simon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to them, Simon.
Bye-bye assignment.
Bye-bye.